Europe faced its most widespread flooding in over a decade last year, scientists said on Tuesday, as climate change continues to prompt extreme weather globally. Deadly floods and storms in 2024 affected over 410,000 people in Europe, causing over $20 billion in damage. Western Europe was hit hardest, with last year ranking among the region's 10 wettest years since 1950. That's according to a joint report by the EU's Copernicus Climate Change Service and the World Meteorological Organization. Nearly a third of Europe's overall river network exceeded a high flood threshold, while 12% reached severe flood levels in 2024. Globally, 2024 was the warmest year on record, with Europe being the fastest warming continent. The planet is now about 1.3 degrees Celsius warmer than pre-industrial times, mostly due to human-caused climate change. Southeastern Europe experienced its longest heat wave on record, totaling 13 days, while Scandinavia's glaciers also shrank at record rates. Much of Eastern Europe was hit by a lack of rain and drought, while floods ravaged Western Europe. The report noted some bright spots, though. Renewable energy sources hit a record 45% of Europe's energy in 2024, and most European cities now have climate adaptation plans in place.